Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is again in response of my respected viewer from UK. So, brother, here is law of cosine, which is equal to a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc dot cos a. So, this is side a, then the opposite side will become small a. This is side b, the opposite side will become b, and this is side c. So, the opposite side will become small c. So put these values in this equation. So b square equal to 35 square plus c square equal to 42 square minus 2 into 35 multiply with 42 and cos corner of a equal to 56. So take square of these all values and cos 56. So the square of 35 equal to 1225 plus square of 42 equal to 1764 minus multiply with these all terms, the answer will be 2940, and the cos 56 value is equal to 0.5591. So add and subtract all these value and the final answer will become 1345. So taking under root on both sides, this under root will cut out the square. A equal to the under root of 1345 is equal to 36.67. So this side will become 36.67. So this is our final answer, which is up to 2 decimal places. This is all from my side, brother, and if anyone or from you, if you have any question, then tell me in comment section. I will respond to you soon, inshallah. And for such interesting videos, subscribe my MA Logics YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.